So the professionals who make the XM42 flamethrower on their website say...
It says right here, clearing snow and ice. Ooh, forestry. Maybe we should try that. Maybe not.
Now these guys are the experts because they're out of Gilbert, Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona, where they get a lot of snow. So since I hate clearing snow off my car, today we're going to have fun and try it with the flamethrower.
Clearing off some snow with the flamethrower in my hand. Over the hood we go, melting a snowman.
Well, seems to be working okay. This should definitely warm up the windows. Yeah, that's working really good now. So if you ask me, the guys that make the flamethrower do know what they're talking about. But what other cold weather activities are they good for? They're good for shooting snowflakes out of the sky. Well, that's about a millionth of an inch I won't have to plow tomorrow. They're good for making bonfires in a blizzard. They're good for getting rid of those ugly little snowmen. I hate humans. What the? Bring it on. Working. Ha ha ha! Now I'm just hard as ice. Gonna need something stronger, more powerful. Oh no! It's great for writing your name in the snow. The car is on fire. Gotta make sure my head's in the picture. Done this before and wasted a lot of film and cut my head off. But what other cold act? Well, if you ask me, the guys who make the XM42, the guys, so if
You believe I'm sitting here doing this just for a video, sticking pine needles in this snowman's hair that I'm gonna burn and shoot with a shotgun. Things people do.
You